Welcome to the course on programming in MATLAB the beginners. Last session we discussed about if construct. This session will see switch construct. So this is the syntax for the switch construct. Switch expression. The switch expression can be a single integer value, or it could be a string, or it can be a logical expression. So switch expression, case expression. So case expression can be a single value or a multiple values separated by a comma. So if this switch expression is matching with any of this case expression, then that particular code block will be executed. If the switch expression is not matching with any of the case expression, then whatever code block is available in the otherwise section, that will be executed. So here let us see one example with the switch case, creating a matrix calculator. So we have two inputs. So we'll get the input, enter A matrix, and another input, enter B matrix. So we are getting A and B matrix of same size. So we are going to do matrix calculator, that is addition of two matrix A and B, multiplication, division, then inverse, like that, subtraction, like that. So based on the operation whichever the user is going to give, according to that that particular case should be operated. So we'll get operation. So input will get the input what has to be done from the user. So enter the operation. So now switch. So what is going to be the switch expression? It is going to be the operation whatever we are going to get from the user. So case. So we are going to give like plus. So what it has to do? A plus B it has to do. So I'm assigning a variable C which is equal to A plus B. Case, if it is going to be subtraction, then C is going to be A minus B. Then case, if it is going to be matrix multiplication, then C is going to be A into B. In case, if it is division, then C is going to be A divided by B. Then case, if I want to give transpose, I'm getting input as T. So if it is T, my C is going to be A transpose. So this will perform A transpose. Then if the case is in, then my C is going to be INV. INV will perform inverse operation of A. So end the switch. So I'll save this file. So if I run this, it is asking for me to enter A matrix. So I can enter A matrix. So let us assume I'm going to give a 2 cross 2 matrix. So similarly, enter B matrix. I'm going to give a 2 cross 2 matrix. So it is asking for me to enter the option. So I'm going to give plus. Enter the option. Okay, sorry, I didn't give display my output. So anyway, I'm having the output. Since I didn't display my output, I'm not getting. So I'm going to give this C. So this will give. So enter A matrix. I'm giving A matrix. Enter B matrix. I'm giving B matrix. Enter option. So I'm going to give. So C. This is my addition answer. So I'm going to run this again. So I'm going to enter A matrix, B matrix. I'm going to give multiplication. So this is my answer, multiplication. So next we'll see the try and catch construct. So this is the syntax for try and catch construct. So try, whatever the statement we give here, code block we give here, that will be executed. So if there is some error in the try section, then it will go to catch section. So whatever the statement you want to execute when there is some error in the try section, that will be executed with the catch section. So this is the try and catch construct syntax. So let us see one example for try and catch construct. So I'm going to get input, some input matrix. Okay. So based on the index from the user, so I'm going to retrieve that particular value based on the subscript or index, whatever I'm going to get from the user. So if the index, whatever the user is giving, that is not matching, then I'm going to display the error message. So that is what I'm going to do in try and catch. So in the try section, I'm going to get the input. Ind is equal to input, enter the subscript. So I'm going to get the index or subscript of the value, whatever I want to display from the A matrix. So disp A of end. So whatever is the end value, I'm going to display that. So in the catch section, if the end value is not matching with the index in A, so I'm going to display subscript not matching. Int to string of int. So I've given int to string of end will give me what is that corresponding end value. So subscript not matching, I'm going to say end. So let me save this file as try catch. So I'm getting some error. Let me check what is that error. Unexpected MATLAB expression. So int to string, it's not accepting. Okay, let me give the unlike subscript not matching. So okay, so enter the subscript, it's asking. So if I'm giving 3, I'm getting -1. So let me go to the editor. So corresponding to the index 3, the value is -1. So the index is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to 6 I have index. If I give subscript as 8, let me check what is the output the MATLAB is giving. Sorry. So let me go to the command window. So I'm going to run the file again. So enter the subscript. If I'm giving subscript, so subscript is not matching, it's displaying. So whatever I give, so 8 is not in the try section, so it is going to the catch and it's displaying whatever is there in the catch section. So thank you all.